In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to your Shopify store quickly and easily. Whether you're just starting out or you've been running your store for a while, having a size chart is essential to provide your customers with the information they need to make informed purchasing decisions. We'll go through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Go to your store's homepage and log in if you haven't already. This is your main workspace where you'll be able to manage all your products and settings. Once you're in, your next step is to navigate to the products section. This is typically located in the left-hand menu and is your go-to spot for everything related to your merchandise. Next, you'll want to select the specific product you wish to add a size chart to. This part is crucial because the size chart needs to be relevant to the particular item, whether it's a t-shirt, dress, or any other apparel. After selecting the product, you'll see various editing options. Look for an icon that allows you to view the HTML source of your product description. It's usually labeled something like Show HTML and will allow you to make more precise edits to the content displayed on your product page. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to delete the current description if it's not needed. This ensures that any changes you make will be applied cleanly and you won't have any leftover text that could confuse customers. Once that's done, you'll need to grab the necessary code for your size chart. For this guide, we'll use a specific code stored on Pastebin, so open a new tab in your browser and head to the URL provided. Once there, click on the raw button to get the clean version of the code without any distractions or additional formatting. Copy this code carefully. Switching back to your Shopify admin, you'll now paste the copied HTML code into your product's description area. This step integrates the size chart into your product page. To check your changes or make any additional edits, click on the option to show the editor. This view allows you to see how the HTML translates into the final product description. If you notice any existing title or numbers within your size chart that need adjusting, such as the title stating the type of apparel or specific measurement descriptions, now is the time to make those changes. This helps tailor the information to fit your product precisely, like renaming it to t-shirt size chart, or adjusting numerical ranges in the size table. Finally, remember to save your work. It's easy to overlook but crucial to ensure all your edits are retained. Hit the save button, then preview your product page to ensure everything displays correctly. And there you have it, a fully customized size chart added to your Shopify product with ease. This will help your customers feel confident about their purchase decisions. Thanks for following along and happy selling.